Hello, astronomy. This is Nathan Reedy. So today I'm going to give you guys two videos. They're both about Flipgrid. We're going to use Flipgrid. It's a program basically to record video and post pictures, and we're going to use this program to do some sky observations. So I'm going to have you guys observe certain objects in the night sky. We're going to use Flipgrid to help us do that easily. If you don't have Flipgrid on your phone, you don't have to get it on your phone, but if you'd like to try it on your phone, you can go to your app store. It's free. Type in Flipgrid, Flipgrid, and it looks like a cross with a green circle around it. I already have it on my phone, and that's what the app looks like. So I'm using Android right now. It might look a little bit different on Apple, but it shouldn't be too different. So I'm going to go and open it up. I'm opening this up for the first time. So when you guys first open up, you're going to say student. And then it's going to ask you for a code. So this code is on Google Classroom. So I think you guys can click a link on Google Classroom. But if you don't have the link in front of you, I'm looking up the link myself. Here we go. So yeah, the code to our Flipgrid is, or I guess just our grid, is my last name, REEDY 7759. Reedy 7759. There's also a QR code. I don't know. I'll see if I can share that. I'm not sure if I can. Anyway, so then just click, hit enter, click on go, whatever you have there. And then it's going to ask you to log in. So even though you have a code, you still need to log in with your student account. If anybody has issues logging with their student account on any device or anything, let me know. So your Goodwill account is a Google account, so I'm going to say log in with Google. And then it's going to ask you to choose an account. So if you don't have your mogoodwillexcel.org account on your phone already, now would be a good time to use that add another account option. I already have mine here, so I'm going to go and click on my account. And at the time that I record this video, there's only one grid available, or one post available. I don't know what they call this, but it just says, hey, hello. So I want you guys to, in this post, do a few things. I want you to tell us your name, tell us your desired career path, and then one fun fact about yourself. And so the way that you're going to do that is by this little green cross on the bottom, the green plus button. So once I open the green plus button, selfie camera comes up. Oh, well, first you have to give her some permissions. So you have to give it, it's not going to work unless you let it access your media, your camera, and your microphone. It needs all three of those in order to function correctly. And here I am. And so it says record. I have 1 minute and 30 seconds to record. So on this post, I've set the maximum for 90 seconds or a minute and a half. On future posts, especially for classwork, I might increase that time so you guys have enough time to explain everything you want to. But these are going to be pretty short, so it might be a good idea to think about what you want to say before you begin. If you remember on the instructions, it tells you that I wanted you to post a random photo. So there what look like filters there at the bottom are actually things that I can add. So you guys might not use most of these, but that purple button right there lets you change your color filter in case you want to get creative with your color. I can type something in if I wanted to on top of my face. I can draw. I can insert some emojis. Oh yeah, and with these emojis, I can make them bigger and smaller just by pinching the screen. Gonna get rid of that guy. There's also a whiteboard feature there. You guys probably won't be using that, but if you want to use a whiteboard for whatever reason, you have it there. So one thing that it says is just attach a random photo. So if I click that last option, you guys will be using this photo option, by the way, as you do observations. I'm going to have you guys attach a photo of your observation. and I got lots of nice, cute pictures of my kids and some other stuff. I'm just gonna ask you guys to just choose something random, like how did that get on my phone? Keep it appropriate, please. But this is a screenshot. I find that I'm always pressing random buttons on my phone. I'm a technology teacher, so I shouldn't be doing this. But um, I have all these screenshots that I can't explain. I remember looking at this post, but I don't remember. I don't ever remember taking that screenshot. So again, once you have your photo, try not to cover up your face like I am doing right now. You can pinch it to make it smaller. I can move it anywhere, and actually, I think you can rotate it too by, yeah, using 2 fingers to spin it around. So yeah, just a random thing about sleep positions for some reason. Anyway, so then you would hit record. Now, because of the way I'm recording my phone screen, it's not going to let me actually turn in this post, but I'm going to hit record right now. So now I'm actually recording my response to the post, and this is where you would introduce yourself, tell us your name, your desired career path, and then one fun fact about yourself. And you'll see my response on the grid. Then hit pause when you're done. Again, you have 1.5 minutes to answer the questions, but you don't have to use all that time. And now there's a play button on the right lower corner there. Click on that play button. And then this is the part that doesn't really work all that well because I'm recording my screen at the same time. But you see, when you open the screen, it's going to loop the video that you just created. And that green arrow on the lower right will actually be how you, it'll ask you to take a selfie to kind of like have a screenshot of your face as a thumbnail for your post. And then it's going to say, okay, are you sure you want to turn this in? So that's how you use Flipgrid on your phone. If you have any questions, please get a hold of me. Again, we're just taking today, and we're taking most of this week just to get used to the tools that we'll be using in this class. So I hope you have fun with this tool. Again, you don't have to do this on your phone. You can do it on your computer. So just look for the other video I have posted about how to do Flipgrid on the computer. So hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.